We'll guide you through how to delete apps on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you no longer want an app or you no longer use it, and so therefore you want to go and delete it. This will then go and free up the space that it takes up, and it will just go and get it off your device. Of course, you can always go and get it again in the future if you want to. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Let's go and swipe up like this, and this opens up the app pages. So you can go and swipe across here and go and see the different apps currently on your device. And what we're going to do is we're going to guide you through how you can go and see a list of the apps installed. And then we can go and find the one or the ones we want to go and delete. So what we can then do is go and open up your settings. Now in settings, what you need to do is you need to go and scroll down, keep scrolling down until you go and find the option for apps. You can always go and press search in the top right and go and type in apps as well and tap on it. Then what you can do is you can go and scroll down and you can go and find the app you want to go and delete. If there's a specific one you want to quickly find, you can use the search in the top right. Otherwise, you can scroll down here and find the app you want. So you're also going to go and see the space they're taking up here as well. So let's go and say that I wanted to go and delete this app here. What you can do is you can go and click on it like this. When you've gone and clicked on it, what you can do is go and see some different options here. But to go and delete it, you come to the bottom and find the option for uninstall. It's got the trash can there. So you can tap on it. Then says, do you want to uninstall this app? You can press OK. It will go and say uninstalling, and that's it. You've uninstalled it and you've deleted it. And of course, you can go and repeat that for more apps. So I can come to this one. And then we can come down and press uninstall. And we can go and delete it. It's that simple. And you can go and repeat that for more. So that is how it can go and be done. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.